is heavy, but it won't cry. I feel the fire, it's burning hot. Dust in the air, choking my soul. Where is the rain to make me whole? Mvula, Matalala, where did you go? Where did you wander? Troubles on my scar, heat of sorrow melts my will. Every breath is uphill. The clouds above are dark and near, but still they whisper not a tear. Mvula, Matalala, why do you hide? Why do you falter? Snowflakes tear apart.